Did you know that Kimchi Jjigae is often called Korea's ultimate comfort food? It's that one dish that just feels like a warm hug in a bowl. Today, I'm going to show you how to whip up this delicious stew right in your own kitchen. Let's dive in and get cooking. I'm super excited to share my recipe for a truly mouth-watering Kimchi Jjigae. This version is perfect for any occasion, whether it's a chilly evening, a get-together with friends, or just when you're craving something hearty and flavorful. By the end of this video, you'll be a Kimchi Jjigae pro. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Making Kimchi Jjigae can seem a little intimidating. A lot of people struggle to get that perfect balance of flavors. Maybe yours turns out too sour, too bland, or just doesn't have that deep, rich taste you get at a great Korean restaurant. It's a common challenge. The key is all in the kimchi you use and how you build the layers of flavor. Is the kimchi aged enough? Are you using the right broth? Are you balancing the sourness with a touch of sweetness? These are the questions we're going to answer today. We'll tackle this challenge head-on, and I'll show you the simple tricks to make sure your stew is perfectly balanced every single time. No more guessing games, just delicious results. So let's explore what makes a fantastic Kimchi Jjigae. The star of the show, of course, is the kimchi. You want to use well-fermented, sour kimchi. That's where all the complex flavor comes from. Fresh kimchi just won't cut it. Next up is our protein. Today, I'm using fatty pork belly because it adds so much richness, but you could also use tofu, canned tuna, or even just keep it vegetarian. We'll also need some gochujang and gochugaru for that signature spicy kick and beautiful red color. A little bit of sesame oil, some garlic, and maybe a dash of soy sauce will round everything out. For the base, I like to use a simple anchovy broth or even just rice water to add another layer of depth. We'll start by sautéing the pork and kimchi together to release all those amazing aromas before adding the rest of our ingredients. Alright, this is where the magic really happens. We've sautéed our pork until it's golden and fragrant, and then we added our sour kimchi, letting it cook down and caramelize just a little bit. Now we're pouring in our savory broth, along with the gochujang, gochugaru, and garlic. Just look at that. The pot is bubbling away, and you can see all those beautiful colors starting to meld together. The rich red from the chili paste, the vibrant orange from the kimchi, and the savory brown from the pork. The aroma filling my kitchen right now is absolutely incredible. It's spicy, tangy, and so inviting. We'll let this simmer for a good 15 to 20 minutes. This is the crucial time when all the individual ingredients stop being separate and transform into one harmonious, deeply flavorful stew. This is the moment your Kimchi Jjigae truly comes to life. And there you have it. A steaming, bubbling pot of authentic, delicious Kimchi Jjigae. We've learned how to choose the right kimchi, balance all the key flavors, and create a stew that is incredibly satisfying and surprisingly easy to make right at home. I hope you feel confident enough to try it yourself. If you enjoyed this recipe and want to see more easy-to-follow cooking videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And please, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Check out the ingredients and instructions in my posts on my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.